Hi, Joe Skirman from Avanade. I'm a Senior Director of our Universal Communications Apps program. We've been working with the Skype for Business platform for almost a year now and been building UC apps for the past 3 years. We have a team out of Argentina, and I'm going to introduce you to our team lead here, Juan Tidone, who manages the team in Buenos Aires.
Thank you. My name is Juan Tidone. As Joe said before, I am the UC Apps Development Team Lead for Argentina.
So the Skype for Business developer platform has provided an immediate impact for us and our customers. As soon as we show what we can do with the platform, it immediately provides shock and awe to the customer. First, they didn't realize that this was possible, and second, the ability to inject these capabilities into an existing application of theirs or a brand new application that we develop for them builds a trusted relationship between us and our customer and leads to more opportunities. Leveraging the Skype for Business web API, we've been able to develop several applications over the past year. The application that we're going to be showing you today is called Remote Advisory. This application connects remote experts in the field with experts and skilled individuals online using a browser-based application. And Juan's going to talk about the application a little bit further.
Yeah, we have a WebRTC solution that allows people from the remote field that maybe has wearable devices or a tablet or an Android device to contact with that people, show what they are doing there, and all together can make a formal decision about what is happening there, and also recording or archiving this information. It can help for future to make a better decision there.
Okay, so now we're going to show you how we've leveraged the Skype for Business Web SDK to develop an industry vertical application. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already in a conversation with Juan in the application using the Skype for Business Web SDK. We're starting off having an IM conversation, but it looks like Juan wants to escalate to an audio-video conversation so that we can discuss the data that we received. So I'm going to go ahead and send an invitation over to him and start an AV conference. Okay, so as you can see, Juan and I are in an AV conference using the web browser, using the web SDK, and we've escalated from instant messaging to this audio-video conversation to discuss some data that we received. Hi Juan, how are you doing today?
Hello Joe, how are you?
I'm great. So we received the data from the seismic team. What would you like to do in terms of discussing the data further?
Okay, I need to take a look what is happening on location. It's possible to bring Joe McMahon here?
Absolutely. I'll see if Joe is online and see if he can use his wearable device.
Okay, great.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is save this conversation and look for our remote field worker, Joe McMahon. So it looks like Joe is online. I'm going to go ahead and chat with Joe. And see if Joe will respond here. Okay, so Joe's responded and looks like he's going to get the device and show us the live feed out in the field. So what we can see here is a list of wearable devices that are out in the field and broadcasting live video feeds. And as I can see here, I see that Joe is broadcasting there live in Chicago. And I can either drill down to his site location very easily, down to the street level, or I can just simply drag and drop his video feed directly to the application. So now I can see that Joe is streaming live video in the application, and additionally we can actually ask Joe to perform certain operations. But what I'm going to do here is go back to my conversation with Juan and see if we can chat about what we're seeing here. So it looks like Juan is seeing what I'm seeing, and what we can do here is basically ask Joe to perform a certain operation, giving him a message from our application. So I'll go ahead and send Joe a message here to turn left. And it looks like Joe is responding accordingly. And additionally, outside of just sending Joe a remote field operation, I can move into a full screen mode and see Joe's feed real time.